ready to relish the delectable recipes on My Favorite Recipes, made possible by Carnation Evap and Condensada.
I really love mga pagkain na naka-roll, yung mga lumpia, tapos turon, diba, cordon bleu, ganyan. Kasi sobrang saya niyang gawin, yung pwede mong mag-roll-roll tapos may kausap ka. And then at the same time, when you bite on it, andun na lahat ng taste na hinahanap mo. So this inspired me to make the ham and veggie roll.
Bagay na bagay ito sa gagawin ko today. Pasta ala Mediterrana.
Pasta naman.
Gawin
natin. Sige, let's start with mine first since kailangan natin i-bake later for an hour. So ito, we have the ground ham. Meron tayong 1 egg. We're gonna have the egg for the binder. So can you crack this first? And then syempre, kailangan natin ng 1/3 cup of Carnation Evap para maging creamy ang ating ham and veggie roll. Yan.
I season this?
Yes, salt and pepper. So, 1/3 cup. Ayan. Then, mix. Okay, so, latag natin dito. Then, we're just gonna flatten this. Alam niyo yung mga rolls in the pastry shops, yung mga cake na naka-roll, yun, parang ganun yung gagawin natin later. Dapat yung walang butas yung mga areas niya. So we're doing this on top of a wax paper para mas madali siyang i-roll. And then,
okay,
we're going to start placing our fillings. Here we have spinach.
Okay.
Spinach leaves, lay it out lang. And then the asparagus spears.
Wow.
Yan, lay it out lang like that. And then we have hard-boiled eggs.
Yan.
So this will look really nice kasi as soon as you slice it, you can see diba yung different colors niya, and then yung shape.
Okay.
And then the spring onions. It's onion stalks. Just a little bit. And then we're going to roll this. So,
okay, I'll hold the other ingredients.
Sige. Let's... There. Tapos you have to make sure na sobrang tight. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you get this nice and... And then we're gonna put in the cream of asparagus on top. You can use cream of mushroom, cream of celery, like that.
Ang dali nito ah.
Dali, diba? Yung matagal na naman dito yung baking time eh, because you have to bake this for an hour.
Pinreheat ko na yung oven kanina para good to go na tayo.
Yeah, 350.
Yeah.
So, good to go to bake? 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pasta ala Mediterana. Umpisahan natin to sa ating red pepper.
Roasted.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have a raw red bell pepper, which we are going to roast in an open fire. Yan. We're going to wait until it's charred very well. And let's chop some garlic. Let's start with the onions.
Yes. In this case, mauna yung sibuyas.
We don't want to brown the garlic. We just want the aroma, but not the toasted flavor. So we're sweating this very well.
Do you wanna suggest other nuts?
Yeah.
Mga
A little bigger. Yeah, pwedeng pecans, almonds.
So you want the bigger cut?
Yeah, big chunks.
Okay.
Yan, our onions are really nice and wilted. And now put our garlic. And after a few seconds, our chorizo. This is Spanish chorizo. Very, very flavorful. There's flavors of paprika, garlic, and we're trying to sweat that out from the sausage and bring it out into our olive oil.
Sarap yan, diba? Yung oil.
Yes. So, while this is happening, let's just show them itong pepper natin. It's nice and charred. And we're going to cover this with cling wrap. So any sealed container, pwedeng brown bag, pwedeng foil, basta ma-seal siya. And we're just gonna leave this until it becomes really, how do you call this? Mag-loosen yung meat, no? Yung skin doon sa meat ng peppers. You just peel it, scrape it off, don't wash it. There you see, the color behind the charred skin is very vibrant. So that's what we want. This is how it's going to look. Then just take out the seeds, and we're going to have something like this. Just cut this into strips. We're going to put our olives, our tomatoes. We want to cook the tomatoes very well. There, our tomatoes, nice caramelized. We'll put our bell pepper. Mix it in. Then, to tie everything and to sharpen the flavor, we're gonna put some wine.
Wine.
And while the wine is simmering, we're going to put creaminess into this dish. So we're gonna put some Carnation Evap.
Bango?
Yan yung pang-moisten natin. You see, we're just incorporating. Yeah, let it simmer a bit. While that's happening,
Season?
yes,
Salt? Pepper?
simple lang. Mixing that to flatten the basil and put them together like this and roll it up. And chop it. So let's finish the dish.
Walnut?
Putting our walnuts. We'll put our pasta.
Ayan, ikaw na magtaas na mabigat na eh.
There you go. We'll put some basil and leave some pang garnish.
Nice.
We're ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sige.
Bowl.
While you plate that,
Wow, that's our dish. Get our
excuse me.
basil.
Hot. Hot, hot. Look. Take a look.
Wow.
Hot, ha?
Then, I'm going to use a peeler to get Parmesan shavings. Mas maganda rin yung solid pieces ng Parmesan cheese pag kinakain mo siya. Yan.
Yan. So, as soon as you slice it, you can see already the layering, diba, of the asparagus that we put. Ayan, this part I like. I like the yolk.
Try natin tong roll mo.
Let's have some egg here. Very Filipino. No? Pero kahit may asparagus and all that flavor, yung asparagus as yung onions na, Filipino, yung attack niya.
Yeah. Tapos may sweetness. So,
I think it's very
matches
Pinoy.
very well, yeah.
No?
Yan.
Nice pasta.
It's in between, no? Yung cream sauce and tomato. Yan. Try natin.
Swirl it. Good.
Galing ng contrast nung...
Yung tomatoes niya. And then the creaminess.
Yeah.
It is nice.
Bagay na bagay ito. Pasta alla Mediterrana and ham and veggie roll.
Go in your in ito to make everyday day. Join us again next time as we turn ordinary dishes to My Favorite Recipes. My Favorite Recipes is presented by Carnation. The cooking, My Favorite Recipes would like to thank Kitchen Cabinet Design by Rafael Calero of Kitchen Studio Incorporated. Elba Cookers from Italy for the cooktop and oven. Maxim Teflon Coated Non-Stick Aluminum Cookware. Mass Flex Knives, Gadgets, and Utensils. Cookwork Stainless Steel Cookware. Electrolux. Immerflex. Regalong pambahay, Gold Gym. Aquabest. Promod, Folded and Hung. Cafe Isabel. Center for Asian Culinary Studies. Buenissimo. Chef Gino's Gourmet. Yummy Bunny.
Noong Sunday, patlakan lang sa bahay ni Kuya. Dala ko ang specialty ko. Tinid mo ang sopas ko. Ang di ko masabi, nagtipid ako at ibang-iba pang ginamit ko. Ngayon, sa bahay ang lunch. Balik Carnation ako. Now made tastier kaya perfect sa sopas, drink at dessert ko. Pwede magtipid nang di nasasakripisyo ang sarap. Balik sarap, balik Carnation. The cooking. You've just enjoyed the appetizing dishes on My Favorite Recipes, made possible by Carnation Evap and Condensada.